Hello, amazing people. In today's video, I want to teach you about opportunities from the NVIDIA sell-off. So I'm going to talk about my analysis and the opportunities. What you'll be learning today are the top secrets that you must know so you can print dollars. As we are stepping into the Ember month, I just want you to be making money because when you're making money, you are going to have more opportunities to invest in, to develop yourself, to do a lot of things. One thing I love about investing is investing simply means doing something today that will show gains in the future. It is planting the seed with knowledge, and you know that the harvest will come. So let's kick it off and continue. What is going on in the stock market right now? That's the first thing we should answer. Are we bullish or bearish? What happened to NVIDIA? NVIDIA's earnings was supposed to be the catalyst to push the market up, but it ripped after smashing their earnings. Their year-over-year revenue was a bit of 122%. Can you imagine that? And their quarter-to-quarter, 15%, which is absolutely amazing. So why the sell-off? The institutions began a move on sell positions. So what happened is that the banks, the hedge fund managers, all these big players started to take profits. And what happened? NVIDIA sold off. This is an educational channel, and I love to bring you into the information and help you understand why certain things are happening. So this is the reason. NVIDIA dumped nearly 8% after market hours when they reported their earnings on Wednesday night. And they recovered yesterday and tried, but when the market was closing, NVIDIA still sold off. So we're going to look at the chart, the NVIDIA chart. So, but give me a moment and I'm going to tell you something that is very interesting. In my money community, we played NVIDIA very, very well because we bought it when the price was around $100 and even below. We got it as low as even $96 and we rode it up to $130 and we took a beautiful 30% profit, which is amazing in just few weeks. Currently, I am out of NVIDIA, meaning I have sold about 90% of my NVIDIA stocks, but I'm waiting for a pullback because guess what? We are about to step into September, and once it sells off, I can jump right in. So what are you going to learn in this video? We're going to look at NVIDIA's new level, what to look out for, and my analysis. What will happen in September, past and future, how to hedge, and how to earn dollars every week doing nothing. So let's continue. So first of all, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're new, my name is Julia. And on this channel, I teach you how to make money, how to save money, and how to multiply your money through investing in the stock market. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. The reason is simple. When you like this video and you watch till the end of this video, YouTube will show this video to more people, and that is the essence of making this video. More people should get to understand about stock market. And if you watch till the end, I promise you I'm going to share with you about a stock that is going to do about 50%, and I'm sure of that. And I'm going to teach you about the stock market trend if you follow this particular channel. There are so many things and so many ways you can make money in the stock market, and that is one of the things I want you to learn. I need you to learn. Knowledge comes first, and I'm giving it to you for free. You should appreciate that. So we have a 50% stock return challenge that is going on in my community. This is one of the good times you can join the community. So this is our channel. As you can see, we have new videos that we upload every single week and every single day. So please do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and smash the like button for this video. And let's move on. Disclaimer, all right? So the ideas I'm sharing in my videos are personal views from my experience, my research, and what has worked for me. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you invest. This is for educational purposes, but if you want to learn from me, all right, I have a dollar community where we'll learn about stock basics and how to earn passive income every month. It's called monthly cash flow and it's just 10,000 naira. And we have the VIP. In the VIP, you get to see me pick my stocks. You would see the stocks I'm buying. You know when I'm buying, you know when I'm selling, you know when we're taking profits, and it is amazing. Come in there and meet amazing people that are doing wonderful things. So the link to pay and join are all in the description. So let's look at the market performance. Let's go to the Weibo app and we're going to look at certain things. First of all, we're going to look at the NVIDIA sell-off, which was not so good for the overall market. But NVIDIA is a league of its own. Their profit margin compared to the other people in their AI semiconductor range is top notch. They are massive. This is what I call a monster machine. This is a money printing stock. This is the stock that as a parent, if you're watching this video, you should buy this stock for your children because the future is AI. Every single company on earth right now are incorporating AI. They are bringing in the AI integration. This is something that you should not sit and say, I don't know. Your children will ask you the question, what were you doing when others were buying NVIDIA for $100 and today it is $1,000? So you can imagine, don't be that kind of parent, I'm telling you. And another good thing that I just heard about is that NVIDIA is buying back some of their shares. So it's even going to be tight. So if you don't even come in and buy some, it's a good opportunity. When stocks companies are buying back their stocks, that means they've made enough money that they can actually buy some back. This is amazing. So it's going to help the stocks to move up again. So the question I'm going to ask is, are they going through a slow pace at the moment? Is there a momentum or is that a decline? So with that, let us go into my Weibo app and let's look at NVIDIA, all right? This is NVIDIA. This was the day they reported earnings. So before market closed on Wednesday, you can see this 28th of August. You can see here market was around 126. And when they reported earnings, it shot up to 128 and started to sell off. As if it was not so bad. It kept selling off until it touched 115. And then the following morning pre-market on Thursday morning, it tried to make a move up. When market opened, it touched 124 and kept selling off, and sold off to 117. On Friday, which is yesterday, market was just trading sideways. You can see it's just trading within this range and this range, this range and this range. So between 117 and 119. And when market opened, it ran up a little bit, touched 121 and got sold off. So let me go to the 5-minute candles so you can see the movements. So this was yesterday. Can you see? And even when market closed, it just traded within a range. And guess what is happening? We are getting into September. Typically, something happens in September. September is that time of the month where stocks usually don't do very well. So historically, not all Septembers, but most Septembers, stocks usually don't do well. Now, if we look at this chart, I want us to look at this daily candle. You can see that after touching 130, it has been gradually selling off. Can you see this first red candle, second red candle, third red candle? So it's possible that in September, because a lot of things are happening, a lot of companies are taking profits. So organizing their paperwork. So most of them may take profit and this stock may actually come down. That's why I said at the beginning of the video that I'm going to wait for this stock to come back to 100 and I'm going to jump right in and make my buy. So let's go back and I'm going to show you the remaining part of this video. So this is my buy plan. This is not by all means a recommendation for you, but this is what I intend to do with my community. So once we see this stock within 115 and 120, we will wait, we don't buy. When it's within 110 to $100, we will buy a few. And when it touches $100 and below, it is a big buy for me. This is me showing you what I will be doing. You don't need to buy with even $100. There is something called fractional shares where you can use $20 to buy. So you don't have $100 and you see this stock around 100, you can use $20. That means you have 1/5 of the stock. So for every profit, just divide the profit into 5 and you have a portion of it. And the stock can get to 140. This stock can also get to 170. So for long term, this stock, I see it getting to 170, 200 in the next few months. And this kind of money, you cannot earn it from your bank. Trust me when I say it. So NVIDIA moves, it's not going to be a straight line like I showed us. You can see here, up, down, up, and down again. And then it's going to go up. It's going to continue in this, movement. And another good thing is that NVIDIA has 4 new products that they are launching. So drop a comment for me in the section. If you are going to invest in this stock, NVIDIA, just drop it and write NVIDIA. NVIDIA, just write NVIDIA. If this video made sense to you, drop NVIDIA in the comments, and I'm going to see that I need to know that you are understanding this stock. So in my dollar community, we have combination of strategies on stocks for profit. So this is not just the stock we're investing in. There are other stocks. There is a particular stock that we're going to be working on, which will be giving us a 50% or more move up. That is why you should be able to join this community and be a part of this challenge. I'm telling you, we have an amazing plan to prepare for September, because in September the market is usually volatile, the volume is usually low. A lot of people are taking profit, especially people that have made a lot of profits. Assuming you bought Nvidia at 97, 98, 95, and you are selling it at 120, 121, 130, many people want to take profit so that it will come down again and they jump right back in. So this is one of the things we'll be doing in the community. We have a rinse and repeat. We have a monthly cash flow project that we are working on. You should not miss being in this community. I'm telling you. So did you enjoy this video? Please like and drop a comment. Drop a comment and say NVIDIA, and also tell me if you truly enjoyed this video. And I want to let you on in the next video. The next video will be on Warren Buffett, his millionaire secrets. I'm going to tell you the things he's doing that you should be looking at. So one of the things that makes a lot of people money in the stock market is when you see what the wealthy people are doing. You should be able to copy what they are doing. You don't need to go and reinvent. Just look at what they are doing and pick up your own. I'm also going to talk about the buy now and pay later companies and stocks, which I'm looking at to buy from the month of September. So don't miss the next video, and I cannot wait to see you jump into our community. You should be in that community, I'm telling you. So have a good day, and make sure you watch this video twice, 3 times so you can understand it. Enjoy yourself, and remember, I am always here for you. So this is Julia signing out, and as usual, this is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. Always remember to go to our channel and watch and catch up on other videos that will show you how you can make money on weekly basis and on monthly basis. See you in the next video.